Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
A 5% solution of cane sugar in water has a freezing point of 271 Kelvin. Calculate the freezing point of 5% glucose in water if the freezing point of pure water is 273.15 Kelvin. How to do this? See, this question is a comparing question. Here they have given the freezing point of 5% solution of cane sugar in water. What is that? 271 Kelvin. And you have to find the freezing point of 5% glucose in water. So they have given the value of 5% solution of cane sugar in water, and you have to find the freezing point of 5% glucose in water. Hope you understand. Now the freezing point of pure water is given, that is 273.15. Freezing point of pure solvent is given, that is 273.15 Kelvin. Okay, now what is the meaning of 5% solution of cane sugar in water? What is the exact meaning? Exact meaning is 5 gram of cane sugar is present in 100 gram of solution. Okay, so what is the mass of solute? Mass of solute is 5 gram. Okay, what is mass of solvent? Mass of solvent means mass of the solution, that is 100 minus mass of the solute. What is that? It is 95 gram. Now what is the molar mass of the solute? Here solute is cane sugar, right? C12H22O11. Now you know how to find the molar mass, right? How to find the molar mass? Carbon is 12. How many carbon is there? 12 carbon. 12 into 12. Hydrogen. Atomic mass is what? 1. How many? 22. Plus oxygen is 16. 16 into 11, and you will be getting 342. Okay. Now what is the molar mass of solvent water? That you know, 18, right? H2O. So 18. Okay. So this is about case 1. Now regarding case 2, 5% of glucose in water means what? 5 gram of glucose is present in 100 gram of solution. So what is the mass of solvent, solute? Mass of solute is 5. Okay, and now what is the mass of solvent? Just like the cane sugar, it is also 100 minus 5, that is 95. Now what is the molar mass of glucose? It is C6H12O6, right? So 6 carbon is there, atomic mass is 12. Hydrogen, 12 hydrogen is there, atomic mass is 1. 6 oxygen is there, and 16 is the atomic mass, and you will be getting 180. Correct? Now just like first case, what is the molar mass of water? Molar mass of water is 18 gram. They have given the freezing point of pure solvent water. What is the value? Freezing point of pure solvent water is 273.15 Kelvin. And for the solution of cane sugar in water, what is the freezing point? It is 271 Kelvin. Now what is the depression in the freezing point? It is TF standard minus TF. All of you know the equation, right? So on subtraction, what you will get? On subtracting these values, you will be getting 2.15 Kelvin. Okay. Now what is our aim? See, they have given the freezing point of cane sugar in water, and we have to find the freezing point of glucose in water. Now for depression of freezing point, we already have an equation, right? What is the equation? Delta TF is equal to KF into molality. Now what is that? KF into, what is molality? WB by MB into WA, okay, and into 1000 here for unit conversion, right? So this is the equation. All of you know this, right? Okay. Now listen. If you take glucose and cane sugar, in these two contexts, both cases solvent is same. So KF value is same, right? Okay. In both case, WB value is what? 5 gram. You can see, right? Both case it is 5 gram. So WB is same. 1000 is a number, it is always same. Now WA, both case you check, both case it is what? 95 gram, correct? Okay, so what we can write? delta TF is inversely proportional to MB, correct? Now what we can write? Delta TF of glucose by delta TF of cane sugar is equal to what? Molar mass of cane sugar by molar mass of glucose. You understand? Now delta TF of glucose you have to find. Okay, that is depression of freezing point of glucose by, for cane sugar we know the value, what is that? 2.15, and molar mass of cane sugar we know, what is that? 342. We already find it, right? By, for glucose we already find 180 gram. Okay, on calculating you will get depression of freezing point of glucose as 4.085. What is our aim? Our aim is to find the freezing point of glucose, not depression in freezing point. So what is the equation? Delta TF is equal to TF standard, that is about water, right? Minus TF. This is what we are supposed to find. What is TF? That is the freezing point of the solution which contain 5% glucose. So TF standard minus delta TF. So what is that? 273.15 minus 4.085. And what is our final answer? 269.065 Kelvin.